What's going on, y'all? Welcome to the Mastablendz Grilling and Cooking channel. My name is Trey, and today we're gonna be making smoked peach cobbler. Let's get it. All right, let's get into these ingredients. This is super easy to make. We're gonna start off with the cake mix. I got this vanilla cake mix from Crocker. You can actually use yellow cake mix, white, even pecan, whatever you got in your pantry, your cabinet, will do just fine. I'm using 15-ounce cans. I got 2 of them that I drained, and I got 2 of them that I actually left the syrup in. If you got the big 29-ounce cans, just drain 1 of them and then keep the syrup in the other one. Also, you're gonna need a little bit of ground cinnamon and a little bit of brown sugar. Also, you're gonna need a stick and a half of butter, which I got in the fridge. All right, let's go ahead and make this. All right, go ahead and pour some of that cinnamon on top. And mix it up. All right, go ahead and get your cake mix. Pour it on top. After that, you want to go ahead and level it off. All right, go ahead and take your butter, lay it on top. All right, go ahead and take your brown sugar and just pour a little bit on top. And since I love cinnamon, I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on top also. All right, this is what it looks like after you go ahead and put all them ingredients on top. We're gonna go ahead and put it in our smoker at 375 for about 40 to 45 minutes. All right, be right back. All right, got my pellet smoker at 375. It's time to go ahead and put this on. I got it on a grill rack so it'll be easier for me to take it out. Just sit it right there. Hey, we'll be back in about 45 minutes. All right. All right, it's been about 35 minutes is what it looks like. Still got about 10, 15 more minutes left. Let's go ahead and close this pellet smoker. All right. All right, you guys, it's been about 53 minutes. Had to go over a little bit because it wasn't the right color that I was looking for. But that right there, that's it. Got that peach cobbler. I'm going to go ahead and take this out, let it cool down for a little bit, and you know what time it is. All right, catch you in a minute. All right, and there you have it. smoked peach cobbler right off that pellet smoker, and you know I had to get some of that vanilla ice cream to go with it. That's the only way you can eat this. But I forgot to mention that I did use Pitboss Fruit Blend Pellets for this. I believe it has cherry, apple, and maple wood pellets in there, so that's gonna get you a real good flavor. But hey, I appreciate you guys for watching. My name is Trey. This is Mastablendz. Hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button for your boy. Hey, it's time to eat.